Give me 5 minutes and I'll show you how AI can help you create any type of marketing campaign for your business. In this video, I'm gonna show you 2 use cases how I use AI to help me with marketing campaigns. So the first one will be finding marketing ideas and then finding out how to execute them. So creating an action plan for every marketing idea that I have. And the second use case will be about SEO. So I'll create a keyword research, and then after that, I'll create an SEO article that I will later publish to my blog. This is the example how it looks like in the app, but it's just screenshots. But later I will go straight to the platform itself and show you how it looks like and how you can customize the results that you get. But before going on the platform itself, I'll show you a simple framework that I use every time when I need to create a marketing campaign. So it's super simple, it's just 3 steps. The first thing that you need to do is to choose a marketing idea to focus on. So even if it's a content that you want to create or a conversion that you want to improve, it all starts with the goal of the marketing task that you plan to do. So the process is very simple. First of all, you either choose a marketing channel, if it's paid ads, SEO, referral, or any other, or you focus on a marketing goal. If you want to activate cold users better, if you want to do a PR campaign, if you want to improve conversion, and so on and so forth. You can choose it on the platform if you don't know for sure what you want to try now. After that, when you already chose a marketing channel or a marketing goal, you create a list of every idea that you have in mind. It's also everything that you can find on the platform, or if you do it manually, you just list everything that you know or search it on the internet. And after that, you sort the list, you prioritize it, and then start from the top and move to the bottom. And we start with the first marketing idea on the list. And if it's a complex campaign, for example, you want to improve conversion, then you create an action plan of how you will do it. Since marketing campaign is a complex thing, I recommend you taking into account all the following steps. So first of all, it's the marketing results that you expect to get. Also, it's time and money effort that you plan to allocate to this marketing campaign, because it might take one day or it even might last months. Then it's also recommended to search for best practices to follow and common mistakes to avoid so that the marketing campaign has more chances to become successful. And of course, in the end, I recommend to create an action plan to simplify the execution, because it's not just one piece of content that you want to create. It's a complex marketing campaign. It's a complex marketing effort that you want to do. And if it's a simple marketing task, so for example, a content-based idea that you want to bring to life, then you just create this content piece. So for example, you create a social media post or SEO article. Of course, before you create it, you list all the ideas that you have, prioritize them, and then go and create this content piece. And the good thing about AI is that it can help you with both scenarios. It can help you create a complex marketing campaigns where you need an action plan and a step-by-step guide. And it also can help you create content pieces that you need to just publish right away. And now I'm going to show you how it looks like on FounderPal platform and how you can customize all your marketing campaigns there. So first task that I showed you was creating marketing ideas. You can do this with the help of marketing ideas generator. To do this, you just create a new report and you can create as many as you want. Here, first of all, you choose the approach that you want to follow. If it's a channel-based marketing ideas report where AI suggests you all the channels that you can pick, or it's a goal-focused, so more broad in one, where you can also choose from the list the business goal that you want to approach. And after that, depending on the resources that you have, depending on budget and time, you choose the complexity, cost, and time effort for the list of marketing ideas that you want to get, and then just generate the report. So you can generate as many reports as you want. You can choose all the channels, you can choose all the goals, and then see the list of ideas that AI helped you to get. So here we have 20 ideas. You can like them, delete them, copy them, and also you see all the filters that we applied during the generation process. And after that, for every idea that you want, every idea that you liked the most, you can generate an action plan. And this action plan will include all the steps that I was discussing before and showed you in the Miro. And the second marketing campaign that I wanted to show you is generated SEO articles. So the first step here is conducting a keyword research. So with the help of FounderPal AI, you can create as many keyword research as you want. So let me show you how it works. First of all, you choose the approach how you will generate keyword reports. For me, the most easy one is to generate keyword report based on seed sensitive approach. So here all I need to do is just to write down a seed keyword. For example, in my business, it's AI marketing or marketing for, and then I just put the number of the keywords that I want to get and then just click the button generate. After less than 1 minute, AI will give me a list of keywords that I can use for my blog. And it will also have all the data that I need, volume, difficulty, trend, and also user intent. And the list is really huge. I see all the data and I can create an article in just one click from every keyword that I have. If I have something in mind about this article, I will also add the idea of the article. I will also pick a template if I want, or if I don't know anything and I would just want to create an article fast, I will just choose the quick article approach and then click a button generate. And here is an example of article that AI made for me. Again, I didn't do anything except choosing a keyword, and AI also helped me with the keyword research as I showed you before. The good thing is that it already has all the backlinks, all the data, all the stats, and even cross promotions when needed, because FounderPal already knows about my product and wants to plug in when it's relevant. And the good thing about this article also is that I can create really quick and fast changes. If something is not good in this article, I can rewrite introduction, rewrite conclusion, and do a lot of other things. So AI already offers a prompt that will improve this article if there are some issues. Or if I want to make any changes manually, I can always use this button and create the changes that I need. So that's pretty much it. I showed you 2 examples how I use AI to create marketing campaigns for my business. And you can create any other marketing campaign if you have another user acquisition channels. For example, if you use Instagram more, or if you use Twitter or X more, you can create any type of content that suits your business. You can go to FounderPal now and create any type of marketing campaign that your business needs.